What's up, guys? Go ahead and subscribe if you are seeing this, please. What I got here is 24-foot privateer. I think it's a 70s hull. I'm not sure, but we put in some new stringers, new everything. Was an empty hull when I got here. Stripped down, and more recently put in this small pedestal for the bilge pump and got the lines installed for the gas tank so that I can continue bonding these sections of decking into the deck. So I can glass over it, laminate that. Going to be making a mold for this. Actually, we're going to sublet this out to another company, I guess, but we've got to start building a hatch for that. And what else? That is about it for now. Actually, no. I gotta build a stringer. This guy's out of Coosa board, which is like $400 a sheet. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and put some plywood. I haven't closed this up yet. So that I can continue doing that. But I don't know, everything else is going good. Slide this up. Get these done today. I look forward to glassing this in. Alright, so I don't know if you have made it this far. Again, please go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up. Share it with all your buddies. Thanks.